It's just like, this is a jet fuel. We will explain how to use the Elsevier for collect the ECG signal.
So this is a National Instruments board. So it's an Elvis board. It's made by National Instruments. It works with LabVIEW. And then this is the software, this is the device that we're going to use to collect ECG data. And the way it works is that we have a small sensor here that's connected to the channels here, AI0, AI1, AI2, that's written there. So we connect the sensor to the channel AI0, that's written on the sensor here, and give it its respective voltage and grounds. Once that is done, we connect the sensor itself, that's the EKG sensor. We plug it in, and EKG sensor has three, so one of them is reference and the other two are the electrodes for it. So what we're going to do is that to place the electrodes, we're going to use the wrist. So we're going to place electrodes on the wrists for the hands, and we're going to place another electrode on the elbow or ankle there for reference. Yep. So based on the sensor, the black and the green reference are together, and the red is on the other opposite side. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the reference, connect it to the fluid. There. Yeah. So to use this device, we open a software called Biomedical Workbench. We click on loggers because we want to save the data.
Can you start from the beginning?
Yep.
Close this one to.
Yep. So
where you get this?
Oh, it's an installed app. So
Maybe.
Biomedical Workbench.
Yeah.
Yep. And then I click on logger.
So first you need to install this bench.
Yes.
You ask them to install.
NI, yeah.
All right.
And I click OK.
So student already installed in their computer?
No.
Or it's installed in our computer?
Yes, in these computers it's installed.
Yeah.
And
this one have a
this is
control
mine.
version.
Yeah.
Do we have
This is free.
The
Free.
Workbench is okay. Yeah, free. Yeah, you don't have
Yes,
to
free. Oh, okay.
So you go to logger settings. So once you click logger settings, you got to choose the device name. So device name is NI ELVIS II. That's written here.
Yeah.
And once that is done, you got to choose the sampling rate that you want.
Yeah.
So by default, it's 500. We keep it there.
Mm.
And in case you don't have a channel, let's say, so since we have connected to a channel AI0 here, you choose 0 and click add as new channel. So the channel comes up there. So that's channel. You press next, and this is where you want to save the data. You choose a folder, press OK. That's all, and just press start, and you should see an ECG signal.
Great. Yeah.
You just got to be careful on how you connect the electrodes, but because if you interchange them, you're going to get an inverted one. So you got to make sure that the reference electrode and the green is connected to the same